Hi everyone and welcome to my first vlog. Hi everyone and welcome to this first vlog. Hi everyone and welcome to my first vlog. I'm so excited to have you here on my first vlog. Do I say vlog post? Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel about programming. What I want to say in this first blog post is just that you will get so many programming tutorials on this channel. You cannot believe it. I will dedicate all my spare time to making tutorials on every programming language you can imagine. And what do I want in return? I want you to watch every tutorial. I want you to watch it twice, thrice. I'm doing something invaluable that no one would actually do it for you. No one else would make programming tutorials just for you. And you are welcome. This is something that I'm especially doing just for you. And I have always been doing this for you and will always do this for you. And to be more specific, what I'm doing is I'm currently doing a programming tutorial on how to make Android Studio 2D games. And I also have a side project because I don't have so much spare time nowadays, so I try to spend at least 1 hour every day making some YouTube video. So what I'm doing is I'm doing a command line tutorial for Windows. And I know maybe you think it's stupid to make, of all programming languages, I'm doing CMD programming. But that's because you are stupid and you are not a code master like I am. Because I know that it's so important to know how to stitch programs together and maybe to make Jenkins scripts. I bet you don't even know what Jenkins is. Yeah. And that's why you should watch all of my tutorials so you understand the fine art of CMD coding. Because what's the time? Time is not so much. We still have time. Anyway, did I say that I'm happy that you came to visit my simple channel? Or of course it's not simple because it's a genius, me, who is making the videos, and maybe they are complex, but I've tried to dumb them down to simplify them so even you could understand. And maybe draw out the most important essence and maybe one day become a programmer just like me. You will make programming babies with your respective, and then your programming babies, they will also watch my tutorials and learn more. And in the end, I think everyone will learn how to code, and no one will be more grateful than you. I think you just have to listen to me and learn how to code. Because there are so many people in the world that they sit in front of the computer trying to type, but what actually happens is that what comes out is garbage. It's just pure garbage. It's like I don't see any comments, I see no version control, and actually I don't see any code. I just see a bunch of Sims characters. So after watching all of my videos, you will probably start writing excellent code instead of garbage code. And that's something that you should aim for. You should actually strive for that. I always say that you should set yourself a goal that is maybe higher than just learning a programming language. Maybe you want to change the world. But actually, what I'm starting to say nowadays is you don't need a goal. You don't need a higher goal. You just need to watch my tutorials and learn how to program. And that's all I have to say.